Hey guys, welcome to Riva Academy, and in this tutorial we are going to look at multi-screen navigation in Flutter. So we started by creating a new project in Visual Studio Code, and what I will do is I will remove these two classes from the default classes created, and I will also remove these extra comments. Okay, so that we can start with clean slate, and I have also removed this title parameter. And I will create a new stateless widget by the name my home page. Okay, and instead of container, this will return a scaffold, and I will quickly add the app bar. Okay, and the title text to this app bar. Okay, title text, say home. Okay, and I will run this in emulator. Okay, so you can see that this is nicely running in emulator. Okay, here what I will do is I will add the body. Okay, and in the body I will add the text, say home page. Okay, I will simply create a default screen. Okay, and I will do some styling so that this appears a bit bigger. Okay, I will add the text style and increase the font size to say 25, and I will make it bold. Okay, so font weight bold. Okay, when I save and hot reload, you can see that these changes are done. Okay, I will wrap this in a column so that I can put a button. Okay, I will add a button over here, a raised button, which will help me to navigate to a new page. Okay, so raised button on pressed. Right now I will keep just a blank function, and I will add the text to this. Okay, text, say go to screen 1. Okay, I will bring this to the center, wrap it with the center widget. Okay, and also add some padding. Okay, so this looks decent now. So what we will do is, on pressing this button, we will navigate to a different screen. Okay, so for that what I will do is I will need another screen, so I will create another stateless widget. Okay, you can also create this in a separate file and import this, but for this example I will create second screen in this same page only, I mean in the same dart file only. Okay, so I've created this screen 1 stateless widget, and I will quickly add the app bar and the title to the app bar for the another screen. Okay, say title text, and over here I will give the name as screen 1. Okay, so now let us go to the on pressed function of the home page screen, and to navigate it to another screen we have to write navigator.push context. Okay, and over here we have to write material page route builder context. Okay, and then we have to write the name of the class. Okay, the name of the screen which we have to navigate. Okay, so when I save and hot reload, okay, so this is what we have to write. This is the name of the screen which we have to navigate, and when I press the button you can see that we have navigated to another blank screen. Okay, screen 1 I have only added the app bar to this. Okay, the title app of the app bar screen 1 which we have added, you can see that. Okay, so this is one of the way to navigate, okay, by writing this navigator.push. Okay, now there is one more way to navigate from one screen to another, and that is called as the name routes. And to write the name routes, we have to go to our material app. Okay, and over here first we have to write the initial route. Initial route defines the name of your screen, which will be shown first as soon as your app start. Okay, so if for initial route mostly we write as slash. Okay, and then we will define the array of routes. Okay, so over here first we will define the slash route, that is our initial route. Okay, and in this case our first route is our home page. Okay, so what we will write is context, okay, and my home page. We have to write the name of the class. Okay, and similarly we can define the other routes as well. Okay, say slash 1. Okay, or for the screen 1 we can also write screen 1 if you want, or just screen, or just screen 1. I mean, you can define your own custom routes. Okay, so I will just keep it as slash 1, and the point is we can write our custom names for every screen. Okay, we can define the custom routes. Okay, so for slash 1 it is screen 1. When I save and hot reload, you can see that there is an error. That is because whenever you are writing a name routes, we have to comment out this home my page. Okay, so when I commented that, it is working now. Okay, and now when we have to navigate from one screen to another, what we have to do is navigator dot push named, okay, context, and we have to write the routes which we have defined. Over here for screen 1 we have defined slash one. Okay, so I have to write this over here like this. Okay, navigator dot push named. Now when I go to press the button, you can see that we are able to navigate. Okay, so this is also another way. Now let me define one more screen, say screen 2. Okay, and I will change here to screen 2, and what I will do is define another route for the screen 2. Okay, say slash 2. Okay, I will write the named route over here. Okay, we can define the routes over here for all the screens that you are using for your application. Okay, and now let us add one more button over here. Okay, so what I will do is I will copy paste this raised button and add one more button for navigating for screen 2. Okay, so go to screen 2, and over here we will write the routes which we have defined for the screen 2. Okay, slash 2. Okay, now go to screen 2. When I click on this, you can see that we are able to navigate to screen 2. Okay, so I hope you got the concept of using name navigation in your Flutter application. Okay, so in this way you can work with multiple screens in your Flutter application. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share with your friends who are also learning Flutter. Thank you so much for watching.